Hey guys, Brendan here for the daily recap, October 11th, 2022. Today, we came into the market, we went short out the gate, and then we went long intraday, and then we went short at the end of the day there when the market started to break that flag range, which ended up being a very, very good day to trade. Some of the trades that we did take today, let's break them down. We did some HKD on the long side for about 10 points, Tesla long for about 5 points in total this morning, Costco long intraday for about 5-6 points on that. Amgen long on this little curl. We got a point on that, which was nice. Peggy long for about 70 cents. Two separate times long this morning and long at the end of the day for a little bit of a scalp. Nerve long end of the day there for 50 cents. We also did some ATXI long for about 20 cents to the upside. And there was one other one that we tried, which was ATXG, and this one ended up not working, and that was a failed trade, as well as DDOG short at the after the morning. We ended up having to exit that trade, and that one did not work as well. So overall, nice hit rate on the equity side. On the option side, same thing. Very nice trading today. We did the SPX. So we did some SPX puts out the gate. Let me just go through all these. There's a ton of trades to go through, actually. And if you guys look at the I do post on my Twitter the entire chat log so you can view it yourself. Did some SPY 355 puts this morning. They're a little bit too far out, so we ended up only getting about 5 cents on those. We were going to turn it into a spread, but we didn't. We did the SPX 3640 puts this morning, and we got about what was it? I'm just going through this, guys. About 135% on those. 245 calls on Amgen. We took right out the gate. Ended up being a 333% trade. Ended up rolling into the Amgen 250 calls for 200%, and then the 260s for 40% on those. We ended up taking Snow 145 puts out the gate as well for $1.17. Got a really nice puke on that out the gate, and that ended up being over a 300% trade as well. Did some J&J as well right in the morning. 35 cents, ended up being over 200% trade on that. MU 52 calls for 307%. SPX, we did the 36-10 spread when it started to bounce off the lows for 8,400%. So really big, nice trade there. End of the day, we did some SPX 3600 puts for 520%. SPX 3570 puts for 160 puts. We had the 3550 roll. We ended up taking that one off as it didn't work. We had some Roku 50 puts on for about 50% on that. XOM 100 calls on for 40% on that. Baidu 100 puts on. That ended up being about an 80% trade. Win the 145 puts on for over 100% on that. Walmart 133 puts on for about 189% on that. As you can see, we traded a lot. ABBV 133 puts for 200% on that. CGC 2.5 calls, 16 cents. Those ended up not working. We tried a Tesla roll, 230 calls. Those ended up not working. What else did we do? Just kind of going down the list here, guys, because there was a lot. BA 135 calls for 75%, which was a nice trade on that one. NVAX 22 calls for 130%. And that's looks like pretty much it. Oh, 93 calls on Merck for about 70% on that. And it looks like that's about it. There's a couple more SPX trades that I'm not talking about that, we're like 40-50% here that we would just get, we'd grab it, we'd sell half, and then we put the stops at entries, get stopped out. Things like that. But all in all, really good day trading. I love these volatile days. If you have issues on these days, guys, this is where we shine. I love wide ranges. You can typically trade the trends quite easily. So if you guys have issues in this market, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, just a really good day. Tomorrow we got the PPI, and the next day we got CPI data, and it's going to be a busy next 3 days, guys. And I think the market's going to have some massive range in it, so there should be incredible opportunities. And if you guys want to come trade with us, you can certainly do so. Go to SpartanTrading.com, sign up there. We stream every single day from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And Discord, obviously is open 24/7. You get all the flow, you get what's going on in the market, where the money's rotating. We have some institutional traders in the room, so they give us really good ideas in regards to what's happening with that with that money flow. And obviously we're posting entries, exits, stops, and what the overall idea is on each setup that we're looking at. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you all tomorrow. Oh, by the way, we're doing our pre-market streaming tomorrow. Every single Wednesday we do it. Feel free to jump in, see what we're doing. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy.